Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a really quick video of my very small nail space before it gets a major overhaul. So this is my starting point. I won't go too in depth of everything because I will be doing a separate video about what I use and the products that I currently have as a beginner. But here it is. Simple table that I got from Target. The glass on top is actually from an old dresser set that we had, and we no longer have it, so I took the glass off of the dresser, put it on my nail table so that we can prevent acrylics and other stuff from sticking. As you can see, it's worked. It's not on the table, so that's what matters. This is my little stand I got from Amazon. It was about 34 bucks. I will have everything listed below. And again, I will go into detail about the products that I have, so we won't go too much into that right now. My cute little trinkets I got from the dollar store, one of my favorite stores. The Boss trinket, also the head there. Really cute. It just adds a little pop of color and it matches the legs on my table. So here, I will be getting new chairs very soon. It's going to be part of the upgrade to my room, as well as where I keep my acrylic powders and gel colors. So stay tuned if you want to see that as well. Yeah, that'll be happening very soon, and I'm really excited. This also doubles as my office space. As you can see, the printer over there that's going to stay there. We don't have a whole lot of space, so have to make do. But this is where I keep the things that I use all of the time. I don't necessarily use these products all of the time, but it's good to have that storage there. Hand sanitizer because, yeah, you know why. Cuticle oil. This is my drill, my e-file. And don't excuse the noise, guys. That's my trash can. Also got from Amazon. I paid about 50 bucks for this trash can. It also comes with a big one, which I have in my kitchen right now. I try to keep all of my wires in one place, but that's gonna be something that I deal with also when my room is upgraded. So in here, excuse the mess, but I keep some tips in here, natural color, clear, extra long stiletto tips, foils, glitters, practice fingers, files so that I can have a new file for every client. Some other stuff. This is where I keep my cash sometimes. And my Alex drawers here that I got from IKEA. Excuse the makeup, I just did a full face, and yeah. I cleared out my makeup drawer. I do have a video on my channel where I did like an organization video of this Alex drawer, and it used to be my makeup section, so that's why you see everything the way that it is. Here I keep everything that I use for just about every set. These are nail files that I've used on myself and only myself, so I keep those there. Forms in the back here, which I will be practicing on more. My duster brush, nail brush cleaner, sorry. Sanding bits, all of that good stuff. And also my tools that I use regularly and disinfect, I put in here as well, and some extra cotton pads. And the second drawer here, this is where the fun begins. So I keep all of my glitters, rhinestones, And I'll be doing a video on all of these because those are a part of the major haul I just did. So are these things, but I will link everything in the description so you know where I got it. So yeah, this is my very quick, very simple nail area. Of course, you gotta have those and the Clorox wipe because, like I said, you know why. So this is my space. I also keep the ring light here for extra light, and also when I'm recording videos, it does come in handy. And if I haven't mentioned already, my camera holder, also from Amazon. It'll be in the description box. But stay tuned, guys. There will be a major haul coming up of everything that I just bought because it is a lot. Also, I'll be upgrading my room very shortly.